Don't use AI to design games, use it to speed up how you work. I've been testing AI in my game design workflow for my personal projects, and I'm not using it to design games for me, but I'm using it to speed up how I work. And honestly, this is something you could use in your own projects, at university, or even if you're working in a team. It's also a really strong thing to talk about in interviews because it shows how you're thinking about your workflow, iteration, and process. I'm a lead game designer, and a big part of my job is about writing specs, aligning teams, and answering and thinking about edge cases. So this is where it's been super useful in my workflow. I've been using Claude connected to Notion and using the skills feature. So in my personal projects, I have all of my design documents, notes, features, all in one area. And Claude can go through them and read them all. So instead of starting from scratch, whenever I want to design a new feature or spec, I have a conversation with Claude about the feature. I talk about the problem, the design goals, what we're trying to achieve, and then it helps structure a full spec. It's super useful. It starts by asking some questions maybe the team would ask, such as edge cases, dependencies, and things you might have missed, especially when you're working on a solo project where you have no one to talk to about. So you can answer these early and be a step ahead and go into feedback sessions with being so much more prepared. And if you're using it in a team, this is where it gets super powerful. You've got a shared source of truth in Notion, and AI is helping you keep everything organized and consistent. So when one thing changes, you can affect that across multiple different specs quickly and super easily. It just speeds up the iteration process across the entire team. And honestly, Notion is super great for this. Everything's organized, easy to navigate, and it becomes a single source of truth for the entire project. So this isn't about replacing designers or using AI to help you design the game itself. It's just helping you create and organize your workflow better so you can spend more time designing and figuring out problems. I'm curious what you think. Have you been working with AI? How has that changed your workflow? Is this something that you would use or completely avoid? Comment down below and let me know what you think.